came out. I don't drive car.
Sure.
Yes, he's the only genuine cyclist.
Genuine cyclist.
Goes to office on the cycle.
That is the word original.
Commuting.
There is no doubt about that. Even I have seen that.
Auto, I couldn't find auto. I saw one
You
cycle
have to
shop
hear his
open.
story. He couldn't find an auto when he was coming back.
I couldn't find auto, so I saw one cycle shop open. I just entered. I said, which is the best cycle you have? He said, this one. It was Hercules something. So I immediately bought it and came home.
Hey, Rajesh ji ka ye dream. Every night he has this dream. People like Amitabh should be there.
Amitabh?
कोई तो Hercules
But that cycle didn't fitting me, so I tried on other Firefox and also that was
There is a lot about your association.
Actually, then finally found my the cycle which was made for each other. That is the track current.
And then
Okay. Meantime, I think I bought it from Jhandewalan, so that Ajay Chawla. He told me that there is Noida cyclist. You should join that. Sorry, the Delhi Cycling Club.
Delhi Cycling.
So first I joined Delhi Cycling.
Delhi Cycling Club.
It's the
Not
oldest. It's the oldest. It's the oldest. Delhi Cycling Club.
Verma something.
Yeah.
Ravindra Verma, na?
Yeah. That is oldest, in fact. So they organized towards say environment ride in city,
Monuments.
BRT, and that. In one of these rides, I met Anush Srivastava. So he found that I live in Mayur Face. He said, Noida, why don't we come to Noida cycling? We are starting the Noida cycling. So it took me time, about a month or so, then to finally landed one of the rides, and that is the say most memorable ride I can say. Vikas was there, Vikas Khanna. Arun Verma, Anuj Sinha, of course, he was there. Chandu was not there. Sudhir, yeah. And so, like,
When I use the word original, what I meant was people who actually initiated it and stayed for a very long time till they moved out. Amitabh is still here. He is one of the people who's still here from the beginning, and Rajesh used to ride with us. Then there were people like Vikas has moved out now, but there's Sudhir Chauhan, there's Sachin Oberoi. You had these, and they were all hardcore riders and very dedicated. आंधी तूफान बारिश सब में साइकिल
Even though it is a very nice fun, sometimes rainy season, na?
So
Even though Anuj also joined us at that time, na?
even it is raining, whatever is that, we should ride like that. We got off-roading also.
Bombay people ride on the monsoon.
Jamnaban.
And also the core area was a lot of off-roading, not road bikes. किसी के पास भी नहीं थी, सबके पास MTBs, सबके पास MTB. अच्छा Rajesh, now your turn. When you started riding with, how did your association
Also, I
start?
always say that you people love cycling, I love cyclists. Huh?
This is the business point.
So, lucky I can speak in Hindi also a bit. So my father started this business in I think 1978 with a rupees 8 only in my village.
Okay.
My father had started. So I just work for the basic cycles like Hercules Hero. मैंने अपने हाथ से पंचर लगाया हुआ है, ठीक है? Then the passion start because you people. When you people joined, rather Colonel Srivastava joined, main guy who made a group. Then I just started cycling with them. We used to go to Yamunabad. Yamunabad. My passion was to eat samosas there. For that we used to go there and Kacha Pakka Drive Road, a fantastic road that was. Lots of trucks and all those things.
Party, big paid party.
Then it came to start, everyone has to wear helmet and lots of accessories are going to go on that way. Then also my passion started for doing cycling and people are coming together. Then I was doing cycling with Rajesh Kalra once upon a time for Pedal Yatra. So he just gives suggestion to me that why did you open good shop at this Gurgaon side area. So I was moving around Gurgaon so many times. Then I finally choose that Gittorni shop. At that time when I have taken the Gittorni shop, this Delhi government was demolishing all these places really. That was the major risk taken by me on that.
Coffee, please.
Very paid. It's good, yeah? Very paid, yeah. It was. Then I opened my Gittorni shop.
So that's another one. Original one. Okay, I think that. Probably I'm the third one left now.
The most active admin.
Okay, admin. He's still the admin. I was telling you, Amitabh is still the admin. There are 4 admins, which is Anuj, Amitabh, Vikas, and me. There are 4 of us now. I started 2 years ago when I attended the first anniversary of Noida Cycles, and my first ride was a beginner's workshop ride.
I was in that ride.
Amitabh conducted that workshop ride. He taught us from how to choose a bicycle.
Okay, at
you remember at the
yes,
park?
वहाँ पर park
Rajesh was
में
there.
29 sector ना.
And everything from posture, how to build it up, how to do your own fixes, bicycle maintenance, and basic how a beginner should start riding. And that was my first ride. That is why I'm so passionate about beginner's ride. What I learned in that one ride, I think I carried it through. And what I give full marks to Anuj and Arun, they were my mentors in the beginning, and they were all hard riders, good riders. They had so much patience for me. I used to be the last. I was the only woman in the group at that time. कोई भी नहीं था. They had so much patience. Only understanding was कि आप आगे निकल जाना, but जब आप पीछे मुड़ो मेरे को you should be able to see me. It should be that you can't see me. Then I'll be worried कि I can't spot you guys. So they used to take turns to keep track of me. And any bunking, I used to get a call. Bunk क्यों किया? Why haven't you come? So lot of encouragement, lot of motivation by them. Nobody ever said you can't do this. It was always come, we'll make you do it. That's how it all started. Anuj moved out about 2 years ago. Vikas moved out about 6 months ago. Vikas is he is I think the last MTB Himachal. He is number 7 in India in MTB, and number 7, mind you, the first 3 were foreigners. First 3 were foreigners.
The second one was Nepali.
And Nepali, Nepali is a foreigner. And also you have to remember the Army Adventure team is the one, they won the thing, so they were also in the top 7. So he is one of the best mountain riders in India. Individual. One of the best in India. And you will never hear him ever say it himself. Never. I mean, you have to take it out of him. You give 7 this time, you can tell us, हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, वो हो गया 7, like that. And Anuj, wherever he goes, whether it's in Bhutan, he's doing cycling there. He's even initiated things there. Jaipur cyclists. Again, all his work, he started the group. They're doing very well there. Wherever he goes, he's so passionate. He gets people together and gets them.
Yeah, one thing, like we are having a ride in December to Sariska.
You must hear that.
So everybody is welcome in that. But you should practice. About 200-kilometer night ride. And Anuj Sinha will be joining us from Jaipur there.
No,
Coming to Jaipur
I have spoken to Anuj also. So might be they people start joining us. I am putting a service camp also for them though.
Where?
Oh, excellent.
In Jaipur.
Okay.
So I will take 2 mechanics from here.
So in this ride, Jaipur
they are
and
missing
Noida
all those things.
cyclists
They are
will
not mechanics
stay
there.
together for 2 days, 2 days and 2 nights in Sariska.
And Rajesh is sponsoring the stay, I believe.
Yes, Tambu ये who is sponsoring? You are the major in that field. You know that, na? You know him.
Yes.
मेरे से टेंस ले लो यार. सारे जिससे टेंस चाहिए ले लो.
Tent, sleeping bag, mattress.
Okay, now debut riders get a chance to talk. Debut rider 1. I don't know. Today's his first ride, so he will talk about whatever he sees for art.
No, okay, a brief introduction first. I'm Arunodaya Mukherjee. I've been working with Karma and Sierra and IBN for the past 7 years. And was always fond of cycling, but I never knew that there was such a group that existed which took cycling so seriously. And I always feel that, why can't we have something like what people have abroad, a separate cycling track, so that it encourages, it eases up so much of traffic. So this is something that I think is the start of something that can become even bigger. And I hope it does. And I hope the next time we occupy even more tables so that...
For that we need your support also.
Absolutely, and this is my first...
To have campaign for dedicated cycling track in Delhi, lights for cyclists, and the red lights, and whatever.
And I'd also like to say that everyone has been extremely encouraging, very supportive, from helping me, Piyush riding with me, Rajiv riding with me, and of course I was always afraid that I'll be at the back. I managed pretty well, so far so good. Let's see how it is on the way back after all the sausages.
Oh, you'll be on fire. You'll be on fire. You're all fueled up now.
So anyway, thanks to all of you and hope to see you again, of course.
Who else is a debut rider?
Yes.
But I'm almost...
And I think I'm privileged to join on the anniversary date. So
I know. That's totally... I'm okay. Your turn. You get to talk even you are.
All debut riders. All debut riders.
हम लोग वाले बच जाएंगे.
Okay. Does everyone just one round of, because the new people just give out your names so everyone knows each other.
Rohit Manchanda wants to give a speech. Rohit wants to give a speech.
Rohit.
Yeah, Rohit said he's going to speak. Yeah. He told me also.